how to be more disciplined. That's what we are going to talk about in today's video. So make sure you stay on till the end if you want some practical tools and some perspectives on how can you bring in more discipline in your life. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Talking about discipline, हम सब जानते हैं डिसिप्लिन इज द फाउंडेशनल स्टोन. अगर डिसिप्लिन नहीं है तो जो भी एंडावर है यू कैन बी अश्योर्ड इट विल नॉट वर्क, राइट? सो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डिसिप्लिन इज वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड. स्ट्रगल कहाँ आता है कि उस डिसिप्लिन को लेकर कैसे आए. कुछ भी करने जाते हैं, करते हैं और फिर वो छूट जाता है. कुछ सोचते हैं अब ये करेंगे, कंसिस्टेंटली करेंगे, बट इट जस्ट डजंट हैपन एंड वी आर वंडरिंग कि ऐसा क्या करें कि वो कंसिस्टेंटली हो, कि मैं वो एक्शन ले ही लूं. एंड दैट्स व्हाट डिसिप्लिन इज. जो चीज जिस वक्त पर जैसे जिस तरह से होनी चाहिए वैसे हो, दैट इज डिसिप्लिन. या सो व्हाट कैन वी डू? I'm going to share with you a couple of things which have worked for me and in my experience can bring about a shift and can help in building that self-discipline. So one of the practical tools is having structures. Structures क्या है? जब हम construction में बात करते हैं तो structure is a framework जिस पर आपका जो भी construction किया जाता है वो उसके ऊपर होता है, right? Like a basic structure that is there. Same way, out here, a structure is an external framework which will help you to ensure that you take the action consistently, which will help you stay disciplined. So when I say external framework, for example, अगर सुबह 4 बजे उठना है, तो you use an alarm clock, right? Now that alarm clock is a structure for you. Right? But if you say that alarm clock, मैं तो snooze करके और फिर सो जाता हूँ, then that is a structure which doesn't work for you. फिर आपको कोई और structure लाना पड़ेगा, which could be maybe asking your mother or your father or your spouse or somebody in the house to wake you up at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. whenever you want to wake up. So structure has to be reliable, which means trustworthy हो. Structure ही काम नहीं कर रहा तो doesn't work. It has to be reliable, it has to be outside of you, and it has to be visible. The alarm clock is visible. The person, which is your father, mother, spouse, is outside of you, is visible. अगर आप ये बोलते हो कि नहीं मुझे ध्यान रहेगा और मैं याद रख लूंगा और कर लूंगा, it will not work. Because what stops you from taking that action consistently, what stops you from being disciplined is this brain of yours. और आप उसी को स्ट्रक्चर बना रहे हो. So to begin with, it will not work. Okay? So because अभी के लिए जो patterns हैं यहाँ पर वो अलग हैं, जो beliefs बने हुए हैं वो अलग हैं. At a later stage, yes, things happen, but for now you have to have structures which are outside of you, which are reliable and which are visible, and they will ensure that you take that action in a disciplined way, right? So number one, a practical tool, structures. And it could be in so many different ways. You could have, you want to remember something, make sure you have a post-it on which you've written, you've pasted it right there. You've put up a poster which clearly has your goal written there, if that's what you want to reinforce and, recall every now and then, right? So these are all your structures, so that you do not have to rely on your brain to be able to do something, because this doesn't work, right? So having something which will ensure you do it is important, number one. Number two, See, we are all at the core. We all have our core values, We all are on a journey of becoming someone. We are somebody and we want to become someone. Now, most often, if whatever that area is in which you want to be disciplined, जिस एरिया में स्ट्रगल है, डिसिप्लिन नहीं हो, अगर वो एरिया या वो एस्पेक्ट या वो एक्शन सिंक में नहीं है आपकी कोर वैल्यूज से या जो आप हो या होना चाहते हो, तो you will not want to work on bringing in discipline there. You got my point? So it has to be in sync with what you are up to in life, who you are becoming, what you want to become. It has to be in sync with that. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो आप डिसिप्लिन पे काम नहीं करोगे उस एरिया में. और ये देखना, एनी एरिया जहां पर डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, you have to see, is it in sync with who I want to be? And you see, yes, this is in sync. ये तो sync में है, मैं फिर भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Then you need to watch, the number 3 thing, you need to watch your self-talk there. आपकी language, जो आप खुद से बोल रहे हो, मैं तो रेगुलरली करता ही नहीं हूँ, मेरे बस की बात नहीं है, रोज सुबह उठ के जिम जाना मुझसे नहीं हो सकता. Watch. अगर this is your conversation with yourself, तब तो हो लिया. It will not happen. So consciously being aware and consciously using language which forwards you, right? तो maybe पहले तो ये देखना कि कैसे ये action जिसमें discipline चाह रहे हो, ये action मेरे purpose से sync होता है. That I want to lead a very happy and fulfilling life. For that, I need to be healthy. And if I have to be healthy, want to be healthy, तो मुझे जिम जाना होगा, right? तो अगर मैं जिम जाता हूं तो क्या होगा? So maybe linking it to, this is how I will become. Creating a visual of yourself going to gym and whatever you desire, what do you want to create out of that gym routine or schedule of yours? Yeah, so it is important. Let's say in the morning you have to sit down and do your meditation or your self-reflection and you just don't feel like, no, I don't want to do it. Then linking it to your purpose. Who am I? So I am a coach and I want to be able to spread that love, joy, happiness, help people, make a difference to people's lives. When I want to make a difference to people's lives, I have to make that difference to my life first. I have to bring in that transformation in my life first to be able to transform others. For that, is this reflection in sync with it? Of course it is. So I may not be feeling that emotion right now, because अगर emotion नहीं है तो आप काम नहीं करोगे. जिस चीज के साथ emotion जुड़ा हुआ है, उसी पर हम काम करते हैं. तो अगर emotion नहीं है तो कोई चांस ही नहीं है. अब उसके लिए मैंने जब ये देखा कि yes, it is in sync and it will forward me in the direction of my purpose as a coach, then I start to feel that little bit of emotion. Now I start to approach it with a different mindset. Yes, this will work. और फिर जब मैं उस पर काम करने लगूंगी, मैंने 1 हफ्ता किया, 2 हफ्ता किया, और जब मुझे उससे छोटे छोटे रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे, मुझे छोटी wins होंगी, there'll be small wins that I will experience, that will build the momentum. तो day 1 पर वो momentum नहीं होगा, day 1 से आप में वो passion नहीं होगा, वो energy नहीं होगी, वो emotion नहीं होगा that yes, I'm going to do it today, tomorrow. But just show up, just be there, just do it. नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे बैठना है, मुझे करना है. And I can tell you, over time, you will start to feel it, you will start to really, really enjoy it, and you will see that sync, that harmony happening. और फिर भी वो नहीं होती है, then you really need to check whether you really up to that or not. Because something that you are not up to, something that you don't really want to do, and you're doing it for the heck of it, will not work. You will not get those results. और हम सब अपनी लाइफ में ऐसी कुछ ना कुछ चीजें पकड़ के बैठे हुए होते हैं. Yeah? So you will see that at times you want to speak to certain people consistently, but you're not able to. You just don't feel like, वो discipline ला ही नहीं पाते हो. Even the closest people. because somewhere it maybe they are not in sync with who you are. Whatever the conversations are, whatever the vibes are, you feel it's not in sync, and that's why it doesn't happen. So you need to distinguish those things. जो नहीं है वो हटाओ, और जो हाँ देखते हो कि sync में है लेकिन right now there is no emotion, get on with it. Visualize कि वो आपको कहाँ लेकर जा रहा है, आपके purpose के direction में. Once you bring in that emotion, once you are conscious of your self-talk, अपने आप को बोलो, yes, I'm going to do it, I can do it, I am committed to myself. What about that commitment to yourself? Where does it go? आप अपने आसपास पेरेंट्स को, किड्स को, स्पाउस को, रिलेटिव्स को, फ्रेंड्स को, उनको तो मोटिवेशन देते हो, उनको वो पेप टॉक देते हो, उनके साथ जब बात करते हो तो लैंग्वेज होती है यस यू कैन डू इट, निराश मत हो, करना है, राइट? व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन इट कम्स टू यू? वेयर इज दैट कमिटमेंट? So that commitment to yourself is very, 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 very important. And where will that come from? You have to watch your language. Bring in that awareness. मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ? Do I want to think or not? मुझसे ये नहीं होगा. अरे अभी तो कर लिया है, 2 दिन में देखना सब खत्म हो जाएगा. If this is the language, do I really want to entertain this language? वो कब होगा? वो आप कब देख पाओगे? जब आप अवेयर होना शुरू करोगे. So awareness is very important, and that also happens gradually. It's a muscle that you build. And deep down, you can start doing all of these tools. लेकिन awareness is what I would say is at the core of it. आप अपने आप को अगर observe कर पाते हो, अपने thoughts को, अपनी language को, you'll be able to turn around things like this. So these are a couple of things, and I can tell you this is whatever I spoke has been from my journey. Certain things that have worked beautifully for me, structures have worked beautifully for me. Affirmations, speaking out loud. It's a combination of, it's a structure that you have which will constantly remind you of who you are. So every morning when I say to myself that I accept myself for who I am, I love myself, I respect myself, I trust myself, and I am responsible for whatever is happening in my life. When I look into the mirror, look into my eyes and say this to myself with emotion, then that becomes a reality. Then somewhere it becomes a pattern inside me that yes. And I can tell you it has been a game changer for me, for building that muscle and for being able to stand with myself. So affirmations, that's again a structure, that's again part of self-talk. What are you saying to yourself? So bringing in that commitment for yourself, being aware of what you're saying, and how you really want to work on this. These are a couple of things that I told you. इनमें से क्या चीजें हैं जो आप implement करोगे, and implement करो, और उसके बाद में give yourself that time. Things do not happen all of a sudden. So you have to give that time to yourself कि ये किया, इसके बाद में you may falter, 2 दिन फिर कुछ मिस हो गया. That's okay. Come back. The key word is commitment to self. Just go on with it, and you will see that discipline happening. It'll come in. Yeah. So people who are disciplined, they're not born with it. No, you're not born with it. You learn to be disciplined. And if you're disciplined in one area of your life, it becomes a part of you. You will start to experience it in all the other areas, right? So don't get overwhelmed. Get on with it and go step by step. If you falter, you fall down, no problem. Get up and bounce back. Give yourself that grace, that time, that space, that yes, play around with it, and it's going to happen. I hope you found this meaningful, and if you did, please write to me. Please, share in the comment box. What was your takeaway? What is that one out of whatever we shared that you're going to pick up and you will implement? And then also your experience. If there's any other way that of getting that discipline, building that discipline, please do share that as well. and do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.